punch. Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's Dr. RC here. We are back out with the finish of the first run to Kyosho USA-1 back in 2021. We are cut short because of some wheel nuts falling off. So we're back. We got loctite on it, and we'll go from there. We'll go out and give it a run for a few more minutes, see how long these batteries last, because I am still curious. Oh, forgot to turn it on. I am still curious how long we are going to get with the run. Again, we only ran for a few minutes. Well, actually, no, I'm sorry. We ran for about 10 minutes the first time. All right. We are locked and loaded. Easy to flip this thing for sure. Let's move this just a little. So this thing has 5-link front and rear. You might as well just go for the wheelie, the flip. Something hanging. Oh, it popped off again. So everything pops on and off of this thing. I guess that should make it pretty durable. I wonder if we should just go for the wheelie on that. Oh, popped off. So, what do we think about that? I guess it's good. Better than breaking, but could it be made just more durable maybe? I don't know. Oh, should have went for it. Should have went for it. Should have. Oh wow, look, so that popped out. So that. Hold on, time out. So that's got to be a tough one. Hold on. Let's see something here. Can you flex it So how did that happen, huh? Did we gotta... Should've just went for that front flip. I would've nailed it. Or back flip. There you go. All right, we're back. This thing's wild, huh? I don't know. There it is. Let's try this. Hold on. Now what? What was that? So we didn't even try this thing on the street. Huh. Making some sort of noise? Can't really tell. Damn, what was it when you flip over? How do you flip, you big dummy? Oh, something don't sound good. crunch. Another wheel. Look at that. Oh, how far is it gonna roll? Man, these wheel nuts. I'll have to Loctite all four. No good. That's disappointing. Really disappointing. Let's see if we get lucky and find it. That should be right here. That's two. Two. Your knuckles good? Yes. So that's really the big deal. So let's see. No Loctite. So, like we said, should have did all four instead of just the one. But we wanted to see if they'd stay on. And there's your answer. No. Let's see if we can find that. Wheel nut came off where? Let's see.
2 very boring minutes later.
Alright, well, we'll look on the video. We'll come back out and find it. So, let's go take a look. Man, this thing is fun. I can't believe it's another wheel nut. Alright, everybody, that was a run of the Kyosho USA-1. I can't believe it. That was the second run. Only issue we found so far was the wheel hexes. They're not having any Loctite. So we've lost both on the right side. We'll get that taken care of, get this back out again, and go test it out on some jumps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, it's Addicted to RC, and we're out.